Another grateful day, another day to share. We have rush booking and this is a milk tea and brewed coffee. Yes, we're accepting rush order or bookings if ever okay naman yung food and schedules naman. Kung hindi naman kaya, I will inform our client. Our client for today is Miss Rose Ann Pineda na stylist din. Our milk tea is a buffet style. We have three flavors and you can see we're assisting our clients or guests para kumuha ng kanilang kanya-kanyang flavors. Our venue is at Venecio Grande, located at Santa Cruz, Magalang. Hindi ko na nakuha dito ang video namin na nangarag kami dito sa ulan, guys! Dito sa labas ang setup namin, guys. However, kahit may roof, nababasa pa rin kami, guys! Then, kinabukasan, guys, we have another milk tea bookings again. Sama nito is donut wall, nachos, ice cream, and cotton candy. So, same procedure tayo ulit sa tapioca pearl on how to cook them. Sunod pa rin tayo sa team ng ating client. For team for today is Safari Team. So, ayan guys, dito tayo sa Santa Ignacia, Tarlac at malayo-layo ang ating biyahe, guys! At dito tayo ngayon sa Abyss Events Place. Ilang barangay na lang, guys, papunta na tayo ng Pangasinan. So, umalis kami sa Angeles City ng 11 a.m. at nakarating kami dito ng 1:30 p.m. Marami pa kami kasing stopover, bumili pa kami ng ice cream and donuts. 5 p.m. pa naman ang start ng program, however, nakita ko kami na lang ang kulang, guys! Pati pala LED wall, guys, wala pa rin. So, sabay kami setup dito ng LED wall. So, ayan guys, as you can see, nagkapag-setup na kami. Sumunod kami sa team na Safari. Itong ground pork naman, iluluto natin ulit dito on the spot. After the long drive, ang aking husband ay naka-duty naman dito sa cotton candy. Pinsan ng aking husband sa nachos, pamangking ko dito sa ice cream. Ako rin nagluto ng cheese sauce and ground pork. So 5 p.m. guys, marami ng mga guests ang ating client. So, open na lahat dito ang food carts, donut on the wall, and milk tea. Generous ang ating client today, guys. Lahat ng supplier pwede kumuha dito sa ating food carts. Our client reservations made through online. Kaya naman, we're so grateful and kami ang pinili ng ating client. Young ones and young at heart enjoy our food carts. This is our sample setup, and as you can see, everyone enjoyed it. If you want to experience this, just PM us at Glance Events Corner. Thanks!